All right, working on the big rig today. So finally, the Ford Maverick gets some love. So we're going to do the rear bar today. It's a bit of a big project, so we're probably going to do half the bar today and then the rest tomorrow or whenever we can. But come around the back and have a look. So we've taken the spare wheel off and the carrier off the door. We've taken the factory bar off it. So now we've just got a bit of square stock that we'll cut up, and we'll start with that and then go from there.
Chassis getting cut up.
I just hit my ball sack on that toe ball, man.
All right, just to clarify, we're not chopping the chassis. It's just the factory rear bar mounts that we're chopping because we're going to modify them. Chassis.
We're going to chop the chassis.
No, we're not.
We'll base extension and chop it into a ute.
We're not. Staying factory chassis length. This guy's a psychopath, mate.
Let's cut it.
Yeah, chop it in the middle.
Let's widen it 2 inches wide.
Yeah, wider.
Send it.
Far out.
Alright, so we've got a little test bit here, and there's a design of saying that's actually not too bad if you're using a bit of box up in here. So we've cut a little bit to kind of test, and that bit of tube's kind of gonna actually sit about halfway in through there, come along the back, and it's actually gonna kink up in through here. And this is the swing bar with the bearing that sits there. We're gonna drop this in, weld this off in here, have the tube come under here, then a bit of tube work come up on the side. But first, before we do all that, got our little template here, which is just a bit of scrap, and then we'll use that to kind of find our angle for that bit of bar that's going to go along here on the back of this.
All right, so if you tuned in last time, we absolutely destroyed the bender, but we know what we're doing now. All right, so it's all set up properly. We're not going to break anything, so we'll give her a little bend. Where are we going? 20?
Let's hit it 20 degrees. It's not much of a bend, this one.
Nah, it's only a baby bend.
Tack the other side on.
Alrighty, what are we doing?
So I've just worked hard at this.
Dale.
And Dale's coming around. She's pretty, don't look at the numbers, mate.
Is it 90 or?
Nah, it's 88.
How close is it?
She's 88, but she'll do.
We've got to get.
Oh, there, right there.
We'll give it a tack on the bottom and we can move it a bit.
Yeah, but you got so much meatage.
Yeah, you need to drop it down.
About there, I reckon. About there, I reckon. What do you reckon?
Just bring this cable around and give you a little cuddle.
Oh, mate.
89.4.
Dale.
How are we that way?
Yes. Good, mate.
So what we've done on the backside to get rid of the gap that was there and eliminate squareness, tapered this edge in. So this edge is all tapered in, and it gives us an area to weld as much as we can around these, because these are going to be holding a lot of weight, especially that one holding the 35. So you want to have a lot of room here for a lot of weld, because this needs to be strong, and this eliminates that gap that was in here and gets rid of squareness. When you're doing something like this, you want to have it as flowy as you can and not have it looking home built and no good looking. So you want it smooth and flowy, no squareness. All right, we're bending up some tube here. Anthony's bending it away, we've set it up. These are actually going to be the side bars to cover up the lower quarters. We're not doing a quarter chop, but we are doing a little bit of a kink here, just so we can cover the bottoms of the borders a little bit. So a little bit bigger tube on the bottom and then smaller tube up top. It would go smaller on the bottom, but we've run out of material. Shame. Should have ordered something extra.
I'm not even joking. My shoulder's killing me.
Are those prescription glasses you got on?
Yeah, hang on. Yeah. Yeah, she's square, boys.
So we ended up.
She's square. She's square, mate. Why do they do this and then look out of the glasses? They're not even looking through it. They're like, you'll go, does that look right? Yeah. That's right. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I'm saying? They don't even look in them. They're just like, oh yeah, does that look good? Yeah, it looks good, mate.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah, I reckon go for it.
I reckon I'm a little bit wobbly for this.
Anytime, because my fucking shoulder is killing me. My shoulder. Oh, my shoulder's on fire.
Lift it up.
Oh yeah, fucking hurts.
Lift it up a bit.
Up.
Bit more.
Hey, mate, I'm moving meters here. I'm serious.
All right.
I've moved like 10
I'll
inches.
take it. I'll take it.
Hang on. Got me. Oh, shit. Oh. It went down my shorts.
Yeah, it's going down my shorts too.
Shit.
Yeah, hold it in position.
I'm trying. Going about there.
Anyway, we added another kink in here.
Yeah.
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 Just to follow this body a bit more.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
You ready?
Hang on. Yeah.
Oh,
Hey,
got that levelness pretty good.
I'm having a gay time. Yeah, about there, mate. Oh, my back. Hang on. Let me get this right.
Oh, man.
You don't trust me?
No, I don't.
Like, my shoulder's on fire. Hurry up.
Oh, the welder's not even plugged in. A little bit of power is going to fix the situation
That
here.
old chesty, eh?
Check the gases on too.
Yeah. Righto. Righto, mate.
Day for it.
Day for it.
Day for it.
Oh.
Did you look at it?
Nah, I just copped it.
Oh! Right, one.
Well, this one's running into the mud flap. So.
Yeah, that's about the same as the other
Oh,
side.
tack it up.
So,
Oh, fuck.
nah, you go a good longer than
Oh,
that.
sorry, mate. Hang on. Ready?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, you missed it.
Hang on.
Come on.
Up. Oh, mate.
Ah, yeah, it's gone.
Scripture.
What? We should have a shop cleaner.
Yeah.
I'll bend the next one.
Yeah. Nice. A ring of steam on that.
How come it's not 90 degrees yet?
Why is it not bending?
If you want to see why is it not bending, watch our other episode.
Yeah, you'll see why.
You'll see exactly why. It was the one before this.
Far out.
Oh,
I just thought I broke it. Nah, last time you nearly took my head off. That was really bad.
Look at that for 90 degrees.
Done.
He's actually doing some work.
Oh, says the cameraman. Says the bloody cameraman. Bloody good damn it.
We're done.
We on?
The bar's done.
Are we
It
on?
It is another late one. I reckon.
It is.
Oh, it's past 3 o'clock.
It's 3:30 in the morning. But the hard part's done.
Look at the beauty. What do we got here? Tell us, Anthony.
We have, so what we've got pretty much is the bottom section done. So we got the intrusion for the quarters, so we're protecting the quarters, and then we put our little
Swing arm.
swing arms in there. So
Well, the mount.
the mount, yeah. So the plan is the bottom section's done, and then we'll follow on and we'll build a spare wheel carrier and a twin jerry can holder, and then that will be the bar complete. So this is the first stage, and then yeah, that's the second stage. But I reckon it looks awesome.
I reckon
Right
it's
now.
pretty cool.
Yeah.
It's not too much tube going on.
Nah,
A little bit of box and then taper coming up. Reason for the tube on the side of down here is just so the tube blends in with the tube work that's there, but then not too much tube going on. So that little bit of box just makes it
yeah,
little
that's
bit
because
nicer.
that's the style. I'm not going for that.
not
comp
going full
truck.
comp truck.
Nah, just a nice tourer sort of look. So yeah, we just sort of minimised the bar work and went more subtle.
And this here,
Yeah.
nice little kick out here as well. And that'll be able to clamp that if later down the track go a scrub bar, that'll clamp, come around here, down into a brand new side step. That'll be on this thing too.
Yep. It's all coming up, isn't it? But yeah, we'll tackle the rest of this rear bar soon, and then yeah, you'll see it on the next episode, I guess.
Yep.
We'll do the rest of it. Yeah.
Pretty cool.
There you go.
Help our channel out. Give
Yeah.
us a like, follow, subscribe,
Yeah, just
drop
do
us a
it.
comment, do whatever.
Like it. You don't even have to just watch it for a second if you want. Doesn't matter.
Help the boys out.
Help the squad. That way we can keep doing this stuff, and the cameraman can buy a 4-wheel drive.
Yeah. We need our cameraman to have a 4-wheel drive because we plan to go wheeling in these.
Yeah.
We're not just building.
That
we're
is
going wheeling.
That is the thing. Once
Yep.
they're done, we are going wheeling. So we just need to get them done.
Yeah.
So you got to like and subscribe so we can keep doing it. Thank you.
Sick.